On his phone, huh? Interestingly, that's an older iPhone with a forehead and a chin. We're going to slow down here. Was it this guy or this guy? Yeah, it's this guy. I can see him. That's a very old iPhone. Scrolling with his right thumb. Let's go and get come on, mate. Pull your socks up. Carry on. That's it. Have a good day.